I'm Yusuf Hanafia from Aceh and I live in Denmark. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear my respected and most beloved Achenese brothers and sisters around the world, we, the voice of Achenese women in exile, have gathered here to remember the catastrophe that occurred in Aceh. ARAKUNDO Idikut 23 years ago. Even though we have been away from our homeland for more than 2 decades, on February the 3rd, this memory remains vivid in our minds, where the lives of thousands of Achenese brothers and sisters were suddenly slaughtered by colonialist troops of Indonesia. The savagery will never be forgotten until justice is served. The heinous massacre by the Indonesian February 3, 1999, Idikut was very surreal, as if those execute acts that human being can create such a chaos and massacre so many is a concept that we still cannot grasp. The events of massacre took place in the darkness of night with no warning to the people of the village. Later, to remove the traces and evidence of the heinous crimes and perversion beyond the rationale of any human being, the lives of Achenese are viewed with a great contempt by the Indonesian military. Brothers and sisters of the Achenese warriors, wherever you are, until this moment, justice of victims has not been fulfilled. Not even a single person from the Indonesian military has never been brought to justice. There is not even an independent fact-finding team related to solve the ARAKUNDO strategy. The fact that it has been decades and the Achenese leadership continues to change, yet nothing has been resolved. They're all the same in reality. They are all invaders, from the senior military regime to the president of Indonesia. We must once again learn from our various experience to never trust in Indonesian leadership. It is evident that the Indonesian government has no intention of resolving human rights that must be eradicated from the face of the earth. Furthermore, it should be understood that the ARAKUNDO strategy is not the only one of humanity's strategies. There were many other strategies that were just as devastating during Aceh's armed conflicts, such as the PT Bumi Flora mass murder at the Simpang Kakar, torture at the KNPI building, Campur Kepok massacre, Rumah Gedong strategy, and not to mention the massacre of Jergo Bandagia and his students. Know that this horrific atrocity was formerly carried by Dutch colonialists, but has now been embraced by its secularists known as Indonesia. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. Tragedi Arakundo. Februari Sikurum. Februari 2022. Melawan lupa sepanjang masa dari Idijut hingga Copenhagen.
Lagi yang jelaka di situ.
Yang saya hormati serta paling saya cintai.
Lagi yang fu. Sudah kan? Kan teknik